So let's right click, new, and then here make sure you select solid. From here I'll select OK, and then we're gonna go here to the ellipse tool and we're gonna drag like this. Now we added a mask. We're gonna go here and we are gonna add some feather. Now here in effects, so we're gonna go here to window, and then here we have effects and presets. Click on that, then we're gonna go here to effects and presets, write turbulence displays. Okay, that's perfect. Drag and drop this onto your layer, and then here I'll enter 230 or 13, 240. You can go well with that as well, and then here 50. Okay, let's add an adjustment layer, and here let's add turbulence displays as well. And here I'm going to increase complexity to about 10, and then here the size to 50. Enter here 50, and then from here I can go to the white solid. I can go to evolution, hold option where you click on this, and then here in evolution we can enter this time clusters 50, let's say. Now this is what we have, and we can enter the same for this adjustment layer. You can go here, hold option and click on evolution and time clusters. Let's say I'll enter here 10. Then I can reposition this white solid, so I can change the position. P for position, let's say here, and I'll press S. Okay, and now what can I do here is basically just duplicate this white solid. I'll go to D for opacity and decrease the opacity for the first one, increase a little bit the scale like this, and decrease the scale for this one here. And then I'll just recompose this and duplicate this again, and just position this here, and then press and just decrease the resolution, the size, sorry, and then decrease the size for this one as well. And then that's how you can create the very simple clouds in After Effects. Then you can add a background. Now that's very simplified. Add a background, let's say this one here, put it right over here, and I can highlight everything, actually just the clouds. Press S and just scale this like so, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.